Hi guys, and welcome to another video. And what are we learning about?
Today we learn another HTML tag. It's about the link. So, in the website, you usually can click a link and go somewhere. So that's what we're gonna learn today.
Does it automatically bring you to a link?
No, you have to write HTML. So that's what we're gonna learn. To make a link, this is a new tag called the A tag. So inside A tag is the text you want to put.
Sure.
So this is the link.
Can we do the Rickroll video link?
Don't worry, we will go there. So first of all, the A link has a attribute. So that attribute is called
attribute.
href. That's hyperlink reference ref. So this is going to be the URL of this link. So for example, let's make an easy one.
Shouldn't we copy paste one?
YouTube.com, for example.
Yeah.
Once we refresh, we'll say this is the link. If you click the link,
access denied via administrator.
So you don't have access to YouTube now?
Yeah, but I have access on the other accounts.
That's fine.
Every other account.
So the link works. The link works. The link take you to the YouTube. Yeah.
That's why last time when I almost got rickrolled, this saved me from being rickrolled.
So that's easy, right? So that's a link. So this is what we call absolute URL. Absolute URL starts with HTTP or HTTPS, and then it follows with a domain, and then there can be some paths.
But can we open it on the guest account? Open this website?
Yeah, but that's just your browser setup. It's not something like it's not because.
Yeah, but that can use YouTube.
So it works.
But can we choose what video?
Yeah, so for example, we just go to let's just pick a latest video. So in the link, you can also put anything you want after the domain. So that will be the link, take you to the exact place on that website. Okay?
Click it.
So that goes to this video. Okay, so that's the first thing. That's called an absolute link. The next thing we'll learn is a let's create another one. So this one will point to your Rickroll.
Yay!
Music.
Finally.
So because of this file is on the disk here, we need to use this local one to demonstrate the way to go to a relative link. So relative link means it's relative to this page, because this file is under the assets folder and not the same label of this this file. So you need to put the path here. So this way, this link is it doesn't start with HTTP or those things, domain, whatever, right? So it's just a point to a file. So that's how a relative link works. So if you click this link, it will go to.
It's enemy Rick.
It will go to this file. So that's two types of the link. One is absolute link, one is the relative link. Okay. Now, every time we click the link, it opens the thing in the current tab.
And you get enemy Rick.
So it replaced the current page. We lost the current page content, because the current page, we have to go back from that link to get the current page.
Yeah.
So you probably have seen that in the internet, when someone click link, it opens a new tab in.
Like I want to open it to
a new
open
tab.
a new tab that is YouTube, and it has Rickroll.
Okay, so now we'll learn that way. Rickroll in a new tab. So we need to find that video first.
Okay. Just search Rickroll. Yep.
So assume this is the link. So what we need to do is say another attribute called target. So target equals blank. It's gonna take this link to a blank page and then open this link.
Then can we delete the other links?
So target equals underscore blank.
So can we delete the other links?
No, wait. Just keep it. So there are 3 links now, right? So this is the Rickroll in a new tab.
Okay.
So if you click, it goes to the new tab.
La, da, la, la, da, da, la,
Okay, that's how you open the page in the now. Usually your relative path is based on your current page, the current position, right? In the head, actually we can do something called a base. So a base is basically setting the link space. So for example, if we say the base is YouTube and target is blank. So in those links, we no longer need to have all those absolute stuff. So you only need to have the part that's after the thing. So this one will no longer work because keep it, but just for demonstrating for me. So this one has the target blank, this one doesn't, right? But in the base, we said that target is blank. That's how it works. It still opens in the new tab because in the base, there's a target blank. It will be inherited into the normal link. And we didn't type the absolute at YouTube, but only the path after that. The link actually remembers whatever in the base. So for the second link, our link is not gonna work because it will add youtube.com at the beginning, which didn't exist, right?
At least you can search. Is this Google search?
Yeah, it's a YouTube search.
What? How does that supposed to work?
Okay, that's cool. So remember yesterday we talked about how Google spiders can crawl the website. Link is the very useful part of that. So the spider will read your HTML page, read your tag, right? Once it goes to the A link, it will find the URL in the A link. So that's how the spider can find the next place to go. So it will start from one place, and that one initially that website link to another website. Then it will jump from one website to another. The link is doing this kind of things.
But what if the website doesn't have a link?
Yeah, so but everywhere now we have linked everywhere. So
But what if that website doesn't have a link?
then it ends there. It doesn't. It just crawl the content of that website. It doesn't
But
jump to another.
Can it go back?
Yeah, there's like a million zillion web spiders out there. It's not just one.
Thought that could be one.
Yeah, so many websites, but there are even more spiders maybe. So they will crawl everywhere. And okay, so next there's a
Style for the link.
one other feature. Style we would want to learn today, I think. There's one other feature of the link. So let's say we have a big paragraph. Maybe we can get some big text. So for example, this is the head lyrics. And then
heading 2.
We want another one.
style equals Rick Astley. When your style is equal to Rick Astley.
So this makes the page bigger.
Wow, that's perfect to make a information report website.
Let's assume there are a lot of those things. So we introduce another thing called the ID. So we can give ID to any of the HTML tag.
Oh, I wish you did.
So let's say this is L1.
Can we do one more like? Can we do one more like lyric one?
What do you mean?
Like one more lyric, I think falls a bit too left.
Okay.
And I hate the number.
So now we have 5 lyrics here, right? So we put the ID on top of it. We don't see anything from the web page. It's just a hidden attribute, right?
How do we put a box?
Now we need to use
How to hide it.
Remember what we were learning the links today. So if we have a link,
Hashtag L5.
lyrics. So the link is here, right? So if you click the link, it will take you to lyric 5. That's because you use the hashtag ID.
So we can do that again and do it 5 times. But isn't that just a bit too much copying?
Yeah, that's when you need the loop to help you, right? Let's say we don't know how to do the loop. We do it this way. Yeah. So that way you have all your lyrics. Whichever one you want to go, you just click that one. It will take you to that one. And see in the URL, it also put the hashtag here. So if people copy this URL, open in a new tab, it will go to lyric 4 straight away.
Wait, can I? But what if we go to? It still says 4. So it's like a whole entire different website.
What do you mean?
It just becomes a whole entire different website. Because when it takes you there, if you change it to somewhere else, it's still saying lyrics like 5. Even if you go to lyrics 1, it still says lyrics 5.
I don't know what you're saying.
Okay, I'll show you. So if I go to lyrics 5, beyond that lyrics 1, it hasn't changed.
Yeah, it doesn't change. That's just only react to your click. It's not gonna change the URL when you scroll. So that requires some JavaScript to do that for you. Okay, that's later content. Okay, so what we call this is a bookmark. So you use the ID and the hashtag to go to the bookmark place. Okay, that's all for today.
So, bye guys!
Anything else you want to do?
IDK.
Subscribe.
Probably I just lost lots of sanity in the part of today.
What happened today?
Did too much homework. Homework overflow.
Okay, remember to subscribe.
So, bye. And if you find the content useful, subscribe because we just said it like 2 times. So subscribe, like that's the 3rd time I said subscribe, and the 4th time subscribe like that. Keep on, maybe.
Bye.
Guess so. Subscribe.